Hi, my name is Novita Dari. I'm from 12 Science 3, Senior High School 1, Muaro Jambi. In this video, I will make it jongkong. What is jongkong? Just information, jongkong is a traditional food from Bangka Belitung. Jongkong is a food made from flour and flour brown sugar. And how to make it? Let's go. Green leaning ingredients: 4 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon salt, 200 ml of coconut milk, 5 pandan leaf, and enough water. First, pure pandan leaf and enough water. And take only 200 ml of juice. Then, add all the green layer ingredients to the pan. And stir until there are no flour grains. Cook over low heat with stirring. If it's roughly cooked and doesn't smell like raw flour, then the green layer is done. Place the green layer into the bowl. And this is first layer. White lining ingredients: 5 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 500 ml of coconut milk, and 1 pandan leaf. Next, create white layers. Just like creating a green layer, put all ingredients into the pan. Stir until there are no lumps of flour. And cook on low heat. When it's cooked, take it out and pile it on the green layer.
And this is second layer.
Brown sugar flour. 250 grams of brown sugar, 80 ml of water, and 1 pandan leaf. Lastly, make brown sugar flour. Put it brown sugar in a pan. ml water and 1 pandan leaf. Cook until sugar is dissolved. Don't forget to stir. When it's cooked, Take it out and pour it over the white layer. Jongkong, it's ready to be enjoyed. To make it more delicious and there is a cold sensation, jongkong can be left in the refrigerator for a while. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you, bye bye.
This is where I wanna be. So hold on to me. Look me in the eyes under the night sky for eternity.